Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export your videos in DaVinci Resolve. So make sure your timeline's resolution is high. So go to timeline settings, and then the timeline resolution is, so unclick this. Make sure it is where is it? The Ultra HD, but I'm gonna warn you, this is gonna lag a lot if you have effects, so make sure your PC can handle that. Then go to this rocket space icon, name the file, select your format. I chose MP4 for mine. Make sure your resolution is this again, Ultra HD. Go to advanced settings, go to gamma tag and select this one, so it's more vibrant, I guess. Then you're just going to select add to render queue, save, and then you're just going to select render all, and it's going to be rendered while exported. That's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!